Let's take a look at the email that you get from Estatesnap and your HD Photohub account. When your media is ready, you'll get this little message. Sometimes I'll write a couple of things in here, just let you know what's up. And this is your email. Now, what we're looking at today is we're looking at the marketing kit. And here in the marketing kit, if you click on this gray bar, you can access your marketing kit. And the power of the marketing kit is that they change it for the seasons. So now we're in fall, and this is pre-made for you, this little post right here, right? This is a story post. And what's important is that you have control over this so that you can edit it, so that you can edit the photos. You can select a different photo to put in there. You can select the type, you can move it, you can enlarge it, you can make it smaller. So then you can save all of that stuff and you can even preview it. So you can preview it, see what it looks like, and you have all this power over the elements of your marketing kit. Now, let's reset all of that and we'll cancel that. And the thing is, you have a whole bunch of these templates that you can use. So you can edit all of them and make them exactly how you would want them. And some of them, each one of them has something different to offer, their own type of theme, the way that they display the photos and stuff like that. So even as you move towards open houses and sold or things like that, you have all these little videos that you can make, okay? Then down here, you also have posts. And there's just so much stuff in here. And again, each one of these, you can edit it so that you can edit the images, you can edit everything about it, the logo, the text. You can move things around, make them larger. Making them larger is up there. And really, you have all this control over what you can do with your media kit. Okay, so it's kind of like having a, a mini Canva, right? It won't do all the stuff that Canva will do, but it's really fast and you can access it from your phone. So all of these posts are available to you, square posts, landscape posts. It even makes landscape style videos for you and little teaser videos like this. And you can rebuild that. You can edit it and have all of the same control that you have with the other posts. So, I mean, it might be something, I think it's a great set of tools that you can use to help to market your business. So those are just some of the things. You can also change the theme and see how the different themes look on the phone and on the desktop. You can view more. There are so many different themes that you can choose. Let's preview that one. So this is what it would look like with that theme. So you have so much control over your media and your presentation. And yeah, printed stuff that you can print for your open houses and your showings. So I recommend that you take a look at it. All the different things that are available to you through your marketing kit. There is just so much stuff for you to take a look at, and it can really help you out with your social media posts, your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Yeah, however you're putting your stuff out there, I'm sure there's something in here that you can use. All right, so take a look and enjoy it.